What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. I do apologise for the delay and I haven't been uploading in a few weeks and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but yeah, it's snowed, it's been icy, it's been absolutely freezing, and so I've just had zero motivation to be doing anything on the car. But the car has been packed up pretty much since doing the deep interior clean. I've been out in it a few times, but it's still looking good. So yeah, now the most important thing now with this, guys, is my car is going to be packed up all the time, because I know obviously the sticker's on the back window, but now I have a work van, so I definitely aren't using my car every day now. I think I've been out in it once this week of filming, so yeah, the mileage is definitely dropping on it now, which is good, which is what I wanted. And today we're going to be doing the, well, I'm calling it a deep clean on the engine bay. I don't know how well it's going to turn out because I'm not using pressurised water. All I'm going to be using is, once again, another Auto Finesse product. It is Eradicate engine degreaser, and also, once again, ignore the label on the bottle, guys, but it's just some soapy water as well, along with a couple of microfibers that I ain't bothered about for wiping it down, and also, wherever it's gone, a brush for agitating it with. So that is the products that we're going to be using today. My main hope is to obviously completely tidy up the engine bay, so that side of it is done. Quick tip for you guys before we jump into it would be to definitely do it on a cold engine. That way you've got no risk of burning yourself, nothing's trying to also, when you're spraying the products on, you're not going to get any sort of chemical reaction from it burning off when you're spraying it onto a warm engine and then you inhaling that. So just be aware of that, guys, when you're doing it. But what we'll do is we'll go crack on with the engine bay and get started. Get a few time lapses in there, hopefully, because I've got the GoPro, and just generally see how long it takes. So without further ado, let's crack on.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So guys, that is the engine bay detail. I know it wasn't the best, I know it wasn't definitely the most in-depth, but it's like -2 outside. My hands, I don't know if you can tell how cold they are. I literally can't feel my fingers, but I was conscious that I haven't uploaded in like 2 weeks. I don't even know how long it'll be by the time you've seen this video, maybe 3, or coming up to 3 weeks by the time I manage to get this up. But I just wanted to make a video for you guys now that the majority of the snow's melted and the car's actually de-iced itself. So I do apologise if it wasn't the best, but the engine bay does look a million times better. I suppose the only problem that I had really is the fact that because it is a low mileage engine, it wasn't super dirty. So it's quite hard to see a difference, but you could definitely tell on the paintwork around the inside of the bay. Obviously on the induction kit, stuff like the fuse box looks a million times better. And as you could see towards the end, I did just, I was degreasing around the oil filler cap, because obviously there's no engine cover to support it. So I know it wasn't the best video guys, and I do apologise for that. Thankfully, moving forward, the last 2 pieces of the car to do on the deep clean is the wheel and wheel arches, or should I say the wheels and wheel arches, and obviously the bodywork. The joys of that is because I will be using wash mitts and things like that, it will be nice warm water in the buckets to keep my hands warm, so that will be a lot better. Don't know what order I'm going to do it yet, because to be honest guys, that you'll see when I do it. Hopefully if I get a chance tomorrow I'll do one of them, if not film them both, so that we can finish this mini series off, because I have got stuff sat in the house and in the shed. I don't know if that was ice falling off the car or what, but I have got stuff sat in the house and in the shed that I want to get on the car. They're only little knick-knacky stuff, but it is the start of the cosmetic transformation on there. on the car, so I do want to be able to get them on, but I can't do that until I've done the deep clean, are we saying? Yeah, the deep clean series on it. So I really need to get that finished, so I do want to get that done as quickly as possible so that we can move on to the next part. But as you'll see when we come to doing the wheels and the bodywork, the car is absolutely disgusting. The cleanest part of the car is now the interior and the engine bay, so we need to get the rest of the car to match. Obviously find the damage on the bodywork. In all honesty, I don't know whether the bodywork is going to end up being a two-parter, because we're going to have to find the damage and then find out how exactly we're going to go about fixing it. And I'm going to need touch-up paint, so I will get that ordered. I don't know how I feel about wet and dry sanding, especially not in these temperatures, because my hands are just uncontrollable in these temperatures. It's so cold. So I don't know if we're going to maybe try some rubbing compound and see if that works. But we'll come on to that in that video anyway. So hopefully this video, when I edit it up, it doesn't turn out too long. But if it does, it's just one of them, guys. Either way, I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you are enjoying the Deep Clean mini-series so far. If you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do go down below and hit that subscribe button. But until the next time, I hope you're all staying safe, taking care, and just enjoying yourself. So until then, bye for now.